बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सब के लिए सेकेंड ईयर की इंग्लिश बुक 2 लेके आई हूँ, जिसके कंटेंट्स में है पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2। आज हम पार्ट 2 करेंगे। मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियोस में पार्ट 1 के चैप्टर नंबर 1, चैप्टर नंबर 2 और चैप्टर नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की वीडियो बनाई है। उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी। अगर हम पार्ट 1 में देखें तो 9 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, जिनमें से हमने 6 करने होते हैं। 12 मार्क्स के टोटल होते हैं। और पार्ट 2 में से 8 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, जिनमें से हमने 6 करने होते हैं, अगेन 12 मार्क्स के। तो आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 1 करेंगे। पार्ट 2 का हीरो है जो फर्स्ट ईयर एट हैरो। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये एक्सरसाइज वाले क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, द राइटर सेज दैट द एग्जामिनर्स आस्क क्वेश्चंस व्हिच स्टूडेंट्स कैन नॉट आंसर एंड नॉट दोज व्हिच दे कैन आंसर। इज द कंप्लेंट जस्ट? आंसर, Sir Winston Churchill's complaint is not just because the examiners have a prescribed syllabus. This complaint is the dilemma of the dull and idle students. Question number 2. What sorts of questions are asked by your examiners? Answer. Most of our examiners ask questions which are just from the syllabus. They are set according to a formula. Such questions only promote rote learning and the capacity of their memory. They do not promote creativity. Question number 3. Why did Churchill not do well in examinations? Churchill was not good at Latin and mathematics. While the examiners asked questions mostly from these subjects, moreover the questions asked were unanswerable. Therefore, he did not do well and felt that the examiners wanted to expose his ignorance. Question number 4. How did he do his Latin paper? Churchill wrote his name at the top of his paper and then the question number 1. After some thinking, he put a bracket round the question number. Incidentally, the paper became untidy and smudges. He spent the remaining time looking at them. Question number 5. Churchill was taught English at Harrow and not Latin and Greek. Was it a gain or loss? Answer. Churchill mastered the English language. He could use it accurately. He found it useful in practical life where medium of communication was English, so he did not feel himself at a loss. Question number 6. What good did his 3 years stay at Harrow do him? Answer. By remaining in the same class for 3 years, Churchill learned English thoroughly. It proved a great blessing for him because English, not Latin, was official language of England. Question number 7. In after years, how did the knowledge of English stand him in good stead? Answer. The knowledge of English stood him in good stead because English was official language. People had to learn it to earn their living. Even the intelligent boys had to come down to English, but Churchill remained successful then. Question number 8. Write an appreciation or criticism of Churchill's views in regard to the study of Latin, Greek and English and their value in earning of a living. Answer. Churchill thought that English must be learned prior to Latin and Greek. He thought that the intelligent boys were preferring Greek and Latin because they thought that foreign languages would give them edge over others, which proved to be false. As for Churchill, the knowledge of English proved a blessing in disguise. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को जरूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरे नए आने वाले वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।